back with another Ghost Flash video. And I'm in my, I don't know whose shirt this is, but we got Rod in the background. What up? This man's hopped on the chair. And oh, let me turn off my keys. Turn off my keys.
Turn on my key. You want to show them what happened to your key?
Oh yeah, bro! Okay, I can't do this with the door closed. I'm a little autistic. All right, so I'm gonna flip the camera, show you guys what happened. What are you doing? Camera comes out and this man can't control himself. Yo, we need to adjust the dampening in the front. Hey, yo, actually, we could go lower. Hey, but the rear don't move, though. The rear don't move since, you know, spring delete. But the front, though. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So, hey, 5 likes and I'll stomp out his head. Ow. Anyways, look what happened to my key today. Someone, I guess, got mad at me and decided to break my key. So yeah, that's a thing. Anyway, so today we're gonna be installing this. This is my eBay test pipe because we are gonna, you know, try to shoot some flames and go callous. Straight pipe. You dig? Hey, bruh. The paw prints. The disrespect. Oh! Hey, let's go see the gist real quick. Since man wants to play games. You been in charge of filming for now? While I go jack up my car since you probably not gonna do it.
Hey, who hurt himself now? Hey, 1 like and I'll stomp out his head.
Hey, complain.
You okay, Captain? Sponsored by Pittsburgh. You okay? Can you get on with the jacking the up?
Come here, Rod. No, you're so stupid.
We really do need to go lower in the back. This is atrocious.
Excuse me? Can we go? Shall we go look at your wheel gap?
What wheel gap?
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm tucking. I'm tucking.
I shove a fist between your tire and your fender.
But guess what?
What?
I'm still tucking.
But guess what? Weak fitment.
You got little girl hands.
My hands are just as big as yours.
Nope.
What was that? If I got little girl hands, you got little girl hands.
Hey, it ain't lined up all the way.
Oh, all of a sudden. Why
are you so aggressive? I like them aggressive. Alrighty. It's your boy Dooman, the one and only. My man just going under the core. Who knows what he's doing today? Tell him what you're doing underneath the core.
Attempting to figure out how to take off a bolt. Oh, I think I'm tightening it.
And we're back.
This shit's about to fall on my face.
You almost died, Captain. You know, the Miata might look all nice, but what he hasn't showed you guys is all the leaks it has.
Shut up!
If you look here, he has a trans leak, and he also has an oil leak.
Alright, we're gonna talk about the GS.
It's leaking pretty bad if you ask me. Oh, let me focus.
Let's go talk about your broken steering rack.
Hey, we don't talk about that. Calm down.
I can shut up. Alright, test pipe going in. I forget which way this goes.
Look about right to me.
Yeah, close enough, right?
Exhaust leak on the way.
Hey!
I thought hey, it's pretty comfy down here, I'm not gonna lie.
So you're not so bad, huh?
It was a joke. Ow! I was laying on my arm and I choked myself. A little faster. I don't know how you can vlog, bro. I don't know how you be vlogging. I'm getting bored.
Doodles!
Hey!
I'm back!
Can I get a leak chat in the chat? Or check? Can't speak English. Me no sabe. Let me get more in here. Having a couple difficulties here putting on the new pipe. Alrighty, so after fixing his fuck up, he put it on backwards.
Hey, whoa!
We finally making progress. You wanna go ahead and let them know exactly what you did?
Not really.
We got it on nice and flush now. You know, you feel the vibes.
I don't know why it wasn't working first.
Hopefully, no exhaust leak this time.
I good? Alright, so the car's back on the floor. And we done?
Yeah.
Cold-ish start. I'll give it a couple revs after it warms up. Burbles coming down is what I'm talking about. Why didn't you tell me there's dirt on my face? I look like a goon. I look like Andre. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. All right, but we done. Miata shoots flames now. Pretty tight, pretty tight. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Say goodbye to Rod, and we'll catch you later.